Here we are, back in the Great North Woods. Looks like we're having us a winter wonderland. I got my cup of joe here. Look at this. We've got like a solid foot of snow on the ground here. I'm gonna make my way out to the shop. And I got up and started watching the news a little bit and totally discouraged about everything. So I figure I'd come out here in the shop and I'm gonna try to make a sled today. That's gonna be my big plan for the day. Oh yes. Home sweet home. In the old shop-a-rooney. Okay. And there's Skipper. Hey Skipper, are you playing around in the snow? You gonna go back outside? Huh? You gonna stay outside? You can go play in the snow, but let me know when you want to come back in, okay? You want to come in? All right, come on in. Lights on. Got the heat going. Just cranked it up. First time today. About 7 o'clock in the morning here. Let me find my little GoPro stand here that I made. All right. Snowstorm 2021. So today we're gonna take these skis here. I'm gonna pull the bindings off, and we are going to make a sled out of these babies. Just a quick, we're gonna put a couple 2x4s on. These are old, junky from Goodwill. We're gonna put a couple 2x4s on them and a little plywood platform and a little backrest on it so an old guy like me can sit down and go down the hill. All right, we'll get back. As you can see, we're kind of just trashing these old skis here. We're going to screw holes right in the bottom of them. One thing that I know for sure is that I was kicked out before I was let in, shut out before it could begin. I can't help but think what could have happened. That doesn't matter anymore, 'cause turn and shut the door. Yeah, you turn and shut the door. I saw the door closing, shouldn't be rolling. Heart is decomposing as the fear keeps growing. Why is that I always am that guy? Gets hit by surprise and left wondering why. And now I'm standing here by myself thinking if things pan down. One thing that I know for sure is that. Alright, you see I countersunk the bottom. I use a nice countersinking bit so that my screws are going to be flush. Alright, now I need to just find some screws and screw those suckers on there. So I got some 8x2" stainless steel flatheads. Should work just dandy. All right, let's get going here.
So if you refuse to grow up and you like to have fun, guarantee this is going to work better than a sled. So these here, these were like $12 at Goodwill years ago. My son used them for a year or two, and he's graduated onto a bunch of nicer stuff. So these are just sitting around, you know. You can get them at Goodwill for literally $5–10 a pair. Now I'm going to make a little backrest on this because I like to sit down. And yeah, I'll take it just a little.
Down before I was let in, shut out before it could begin. I can't help but to think what could have happened. That it doesn't matter anymore, 'cause turn and shut the door. Yeah, you turn and shut the door. I saw the door closing, shouldn't be rolling. Heart is decomposing as a bridge is growing. Why is that I always am that guy? Gets hit by surprise and left wondering why. And now I'm standing here by myself thinking if things pan down.
Now that is what you call a very quick sled that should do good in powder. Because my old metal rail sled just doesn't work very good in the powder. The hardest part for being an old man is just getting on there. Woohoo! Riding cowboy!
Hey everyone, this is your thumbnail.
My beautiful daughter here on Valentine's Day.
He forgot about Valentine's Day.
I did. I forgot about that. So you can actually steer it a little bit.
Yeah, I can
All right, that concludes the custom sleigh ride on Snow Day, Snowmageddon 2020.